Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the Dash Sprite ready. Equip it from your locker or quick inventory so you can deploy instantly. Once done, enter Creative or Battle Lab to test without pressure, and place a spawn point near where you plan to use it. Make sure to toggle abilities allowed in the match settings so mobility items work. You do this now to avoid interruptions later, because having immediate access prevents wasted time when you need the speed boost. You want to control when and where the Dash Sprite moves, so start sprinting and then hit the ability button while aiming toward cover or high ground. This directs momentum. Once activated, a short tap gives a quick dodge, while a held activation produces a longer burst. Use both depending on distance. Keep your crosshair aligned with your intended landing, because orientation affects where you end up. Practice timing with terrain. Repeated tries build instincts for precise repositioning during fights. Finish the encounter by immediately switching to a weapon or building after the Dash Sprite ends. The ability creates windows for shots or quick walls. Once done, manage cooldowns. Don't spam the ability. Save it for escapes or decisive repositioning. If the Dash Sprite feels unresponsive, make sure input bindings are correct, re-equip it, and test in Creative to separate latency from configuration issues. If lag persists, lower
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.